See you, sir. Merry Christmas, sir. Wish ko lang, sir, good health at maraming blessings at regalo ang dumating sa inyo, sir, ngayong Christmas, sir. Merry Christmas, sir. Ilang days na lang, sir, at meron ulit kayong barbero, sir.
See you, sir, Lieutenant Commander Joel Viñeba, PCG, ex-sir, and to all officers and non-officers of BRP Panglao, maligayang Pasko sa ating lahat. Advance Happy New Year. Palagi po tayong mag-iingat sa kahit saan man tayo magpunta. Yun lang po.
Sir, see you, sir. May this Christmas bring peace, joy, and blessing to you and your family. Merry Christmas, sir.
Good evening, sir. Our commanding officer, Lieutenant Commander Nieva, sir. Our XO, Lieutenant General Grade Buet, sir. All officers and non-officers of BRP Panglao family. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
To our commanding officer, Lieutenant Commander Nieva, Philippine Coast Guard, and to our executive officer, Lieutenant Junior Grade Buyat, Philippine Coast Guard, to all officers, and to my fellow non-officers of BRP Panglao, FPB-2402, I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas, wishing you love, peace, and happiness this Christmas and always. Hurrah!
To our commanding officer of BRP Panglao, Lieutenant Commander Joel Viñeba, sir. To our executive officer, Lieutenant Junior Grade Buyat, sir. To all officers and my fellow non-officers, I would like to greet a Merry Christmas and an abundant blessings to all of us. Hurrah!
To CEO sir, XO sir, DCO sir, Ingro sir, Simaa, and the rest of the crew of BRP Panglao, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
CEO sir, XO sir, DCO sir, BRP family, binabati ko kayo ng Merry Christmas and Advance Happy New Year. Thank you and God bless.